In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set indents and line spacing in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to organize bullet points clearly and make your slides easier to read. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and navigating to the slide you want to edit. Click inside a text box or highlight the exact text you want to format so the changes apply where you need them. To create subpoints under a main bullet, press the Tab key on your keyboard. You'll see the text move to the right and become a lower level bullet. This is perfect for breaking a big idea into smaller related details. If you go too far or change your mind, head to the Home tab, find the paragraph group, and click Decrease Indent. That moves the text back to the left, promoting it to a higher level bullet. You can also increase indent from the ribbon instead of using the keyboard. In the same paragraph group on the Home tab, click Increase Indent. Both approaches do the same thing, so use whichever is more comfortable. Adjust the indent levels until your bullets form a clean, logical structure that's easy for your audience to scan. For precise alignment, turn on the ruler. Go to the View tab and, in the Show group, check the box for ruler. You'll see markers appear at the top. The top marker controls the first line of your bullet or paragraph, and the bottom marker controls the hanging indent, which is where the lines after the first one begin. Click and drag these markers left or right to line things up exactly how you want. This is especially helpful when you want multiple text boxes to share the same alignment or when you're matching your content to a specific design grid. Now let's refine readability with line spacing. First, highlight the text you want to modify. Go back to the Home tab, and in the paragraph group, click Line Spacing. Choose the spacing that fits your slide: 1.0 for tight, compact lists, 1.5 for a balanced look, or 2.0 for extra breathing room. The change applies instantly so you can quickly preview what works best for your content and layout. That's all you need to set clear indents and adjust line spacing in PowerPoint. Use indent tools to establish hierarchy, the ruler for accuracy, and line spacing to improve legibility. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.